Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I'm Scott Fox, lifelong insurance nerd. Medicare is confusing, but with the right shortcuts, it doesn't have to be. Stick with me and I'll share some insider tips to simplify your Medicare journey. It's not about knowing every Medicare rule. It's about knowing which 3 or 4 levers actually affect your wallet and coverage. Ignore the noise. Focus on the levers. And suddenly, Medicare gets 100 times simpler. Do you want the inside scoop live? Join me this Wednesday at 5 o'clock for my Medicare live stream. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description to get a reminder. Bring your questions. I'll bring the nerdy answers. Let's get nerdy. Lever 1, master the enrollment windows. Know your initial enrollment period, around when you turn 65, or later if you work past 65, and the annual enrollment period, October 15th through December 7th. Those are the most important. Everything else are special use cases. Nerd tip: mark the annual enrollment period in your calendar so you don't miss them. It is your annual window to make changes if needed. Lever 2, understand your core choices. Original Medicare, Medicare plus a supplement, or a Medicare Advantage plan. Those are the 3 buckets, really. Nerd tip: Medicare supplements give you the most flexibility with a higher premium, versus Medicare Advantage gives you the lowest premium with more restrictions and red tape. Lever 3, MDB Framework. Meds, docs, budget. If your program covers your current medications, if all of your doctors and practitioners are in network, if the plan fits your budget, you're good. Sleep with a clean conscience. Nerd tip: MDB solves 90% of confusion. Lever 4, simplify reviews. Once a year, do a 30-minute AEP check. Nerd tip: 30 minutes spent once a year can help make sure that your meds are still covered, your doctors are still in network, and everything still falls within your budget for the entire year. Lever 5, don't be afraid to get help. If all this seems overwhelming, use independent agents or the State Health Insurance Assistance Program, otherwise known as SHIP. Nerd tip: find an independent agent that you trust. This time of year, everyone is inundated with TV ads, telemarketing, email spam, and piles of junk mail. Find someone that you trust and let all that stuff just bounce off your spam filter. If this video made Medicare a little less confusing, please let me know. Hit the like button, share it with a friend, and drop a comment with your questions down below. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future nerd tips. It really does help me continue to put videos like this one out. I'm Scott Fox, lifelong insurance nerd, and I run an independent brokerage here in Southern California with clients across the United States. That means I represent multiple companies, not just one. And I help people like you find the Medicare or insurance coverage they need that actually fits your life every day. If you'd like personal help reviewing your coverage, just give me a call at 310-504-6223 or visit my website at scottfoxinsurance.com. My info is always in the description. Please reach out anytime. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay nerdy, my friends.